You can see a round of primers going on. The neat thing about this epoxy primer is we have it in the blue color, which it's going to be blue anyway, but it's just a nice way of having a similar type color. Usually it's a gray color, but he's going through and just hitting all those parts that he was sanding earlier. They're all lined up there. And the ones in back of him as well, all queued up, ready to go. So nice to see this process happening pretty quickly into the project. Again, it's just an epoxy primer. It's not a final coat. It'll be sanded out and then the actual final blue color will be shot.